is running a package that is mind-blowing. See, oh my god, this gladdens my heart. And if you are watching this video now, congratulations, because before Christmas, before Xmas, whichever one you call it, you understand, you are going to make huge amount of money. And if you have capital and you're looking for where to invest it, like a legit platform to invest it without anything, with peace, like 100% full peace of mind, then continue watching this video, because I will be showing you the newest package that probably you might not know, or you see it, you really don't care about it. It is no longer a new thing that with OPay spend and save, you can earn money, interest every day, right? But that is not where I'm going to. Calm down and don't rush. Now, before I dive into what I want to show you, hit the subscribe button and like this video, because it is not easy to be giving you sweet and confirm updates. Like, I can boast my chest that check any of my videos you have tried and did not work for you, come back to my WhatsApp and ask me why, or comment down below, why is this not working? I can tell you that any update I'm giving you here, they are legit, okay? With OPay, you can actually activate your spend and save and make money for yourself. Do you know that? If you know that, comment down below, yes, I know that. Moving on, you know that anytime you buy data, right, there is a cashback for you, right? Do you also know this? If you don't know all this, you are missing out. Like, especially the spend and save. The spend and save feature is a great feature for me. This is the feature here, spend and save feature. Okay, so I activated this feature, and this feature is a life-saving feature, okay? Because every time you put in your money here, it will kind of split your money and put it on spend and save, and that money it split will be generating income for you every blessed day. Imagine you put huge amount of money. Do you know how much you'll be receiving? But that's not where we are going to. Let me not even waste time on it, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, now let's dive in. If you don't know how to activate the spend and save feature, comment down below, okay? And if you are not referring, do you know that they also have a referral bonus, okay? So now let's check on the reward. Do you see it? Those are my cashback. I buy data, I get cashback. And there are some times that, you know, it's not going to be rosy every time. Every time is not going to be Christmas Day, okay? So there are some times that you are kind of broke and you needed urgent airtime. Here, this OPay is here for you. Urgent money to at least buy data and call, or even buy data to subscribe before you could even log in. That is sometimes if you run out of data, right? This cashback is very, very good. Like, you need to activate it. Activate your spend and save. Activate your cashback, okay? And then if you refer, just keep on watching, because I'm reserving the best for the end. So now, if you refer, you have earned 750 reward, okay? So if you share your link, you will earn a whole lot of money. So now, help me receive 5,600 naira. So any new user that use your link to join OPay, you will receive 5,600 naira. Isn't that amazing? That is superb. That is sweet, right? Now, let's go to the cocoa of the matter. If you're not in Nigeria, you don't know what is cocoa of the matter. Cocoa of the matter simply means the real deal, the reason we are here, okay? Okay, now, let me show you what I want to show you. Okay, so now, this Xmas bonus. Like, I'm just seeing it. This is sweet. Now, OPay is asking you that we have 53 days left to Xmas, right? Isn't that so? Okay, and they're asking you that as a standard member, if you put in 20,000, okay, if you put in 20,000, then every day, daily, you will be receiving 377 naira. Isn't that sweet? Now, there's some Ponzi scheme that will tell you deposit 20,000 naira and receive 300 naira every day, or receive 400 naira every day, and you're not even sure that that Ponzi scheme will last till December. But OPay is here for you. Yes. So if you have a spare 20k, deposit it right in here. Let's assume that you have 50,000 naira. So let it calculate the quarter for us. Do you see it's almost 1,000 naira, 743 naira every day. That is sweet, right? Okay, now what if you have 500,000? That is mind blowing. Oh my God. Now, if you have 500,000 naira, you will be receiving 9,000 every day before December, before Xmas. Now, multiply. In fact, let me take you to my calculator. Okay. Now, we have 500,000. Okay. Multiply by, okay, 9,000, right? Okay, let's do 9,000. We have 9,400 and something, but let's just do 9,000 multiply by, let's take away today from it because October is already gone, right? Let's say November and December, which is 60 days, right? Multiply by 60 days. Look at how much you are having. Okay, let's even say 53 days. 53 days, you will have 477,000 naira on top of your 500,000 naira capital. That is your profit. See, oh my God. Okay, now let's even assume. Okay, now let's take it back. Okay, so you can do your calculation. Either you have standard or premium or luxurious or custom. It's still the same. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Start saving up now because this Christmas is going to be a banger. So, if you have 20,000 naira, or if you have 10,000 naira, what will stop you not to save it here? And you'll be having 118 naira free of charge. Okay, instead of you to go and put it inside your box that will not yield profit, or probably if you can start saving now. Or let's assume that every day you are putting in 1,000 naira, right? Every day you're putting in 1,000 naira, you know what you'll be earning here. Okay, let's put 1,000 naira, you save 1,000 naira, you'll be having 18 naira every blessed day. That is good. Okay, because you just feel like, okay, let me just put it there and just remove my eyes from it. Do you know how much you'll be earning? So if really you want to save for Xmas, right, just close eyes and put like 20,000 naira here, or you put like 50,000 naira here, and then go and sit down, go and rest, and you'll be receiving 900 naira every day, right? You'll be receiving 900 naira every day. Like, in fact, like this video and thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so that when interesting videos comes like this, YouTube will not fail to notify you. You can also join my WhatsApp group. Okay, so there are so many ways to make money here on this channel. So in order not to waste our time, should I call it a day, right? Or should I call it peace out? So this is Life with Faith channel. Okay, so as you all know that the only thing we do here is money making opportunity. So I would love to see you in my next video, because my next video is going to be another banger. So do well, stay safe, and happy Xmas in advance. Yes, so OPay do this one for us. So see you. Peace out.